culture. The Tika Creations SARONG tonight highlights the importance of marriage between our Tongan cultural heritage and our natural environment. The SARONG is a symbol of family appreciation for culture, heritage, and identity, which she notes is reflected in Tonga's natural environment. The vibrant sea life of the maternal homeland, to the awe-inspiring growth of the maternal hometown, Tonga'uiha. SARONG consists of two ties. The first tie sits behind her neckline and represents the Tongan value of mama'imeha, or loyalty. She holds loyalty close to her mind, as to always remember the importance of working diligently with loyalty to serve God, His Majesty the King, and the royal family, and also the diverse community. God and Tonga are heritage. The second tie wraps securely around her waist. This tie signifies the value of lototo, or humility. She upholds the young, Fiema'u, or Tongan maiden. She ties its values closely to her, arrogance and pride. It focuses on recognizing one's place within the Tongan community and using the Hidala platform to maintain these attributes as part of Tonga's culture. Abstract concepts, they are deeply woven into the fabric of everyday Tongan life and are beautifully mirrored in the elements of Malia's SARONG tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, your contestant number 7, Miss Tika Creations, Malia Tuatepi Tonga'uiha.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to bring all of our contestants back on stage in their